Hey everyone, I am back with another video. So today we are going to declutter these cords. He gave me a bag of cords. I just threw them all in here. He gave me, well, I found one cord in here for my iPhone. So I already have it connected. So if I find another cord, I'll hold on to it because I only have one cord for my phone, but I found one similar to this. And I have it already connected, so if I come across another cord for my phone, I'm gonna hold on to it. But other than that, everything that I won't be using, I'm going to declutter. So this is just cords that he would just buy online, and yeah, so let's get started. So we have this cord, this adapter. We're not going to use that, so I'll let that go. I have this cord, so these cords, okay, because I have this, where is it? This. And we use the Android cord to charge it, so. Anyway, here it is. So I'm going to hold on to these cords because I do use that, so let me do this. Okay. Yep, some. We have a bunch of these plugs. Here's another one. I'm gonna hold on to that because I do use them. This is for my AirPods. So my AirPods take this charge. So I have one that's already wrapped up. Android cord, so I do use those. This is okay, so I don't have anything for this charge cord, so I'm going to let this one go. We have these are for the car if I were to my iPods. These are cords. These are brand new. I got them in Dollar General before they closed. Here's the rubber pieces for the earphones. Here's, see, he bought this. This is for the AirPods, so I'll hold on to that. We have this one is, yeah, AirPods. So I'm going to hold on to those. We're not, he says we're not going to use this, so I'm going to let that go. My dad went through all of these cords first to see what he wanted. He grabbed a few. this fits my phone. It's the same charger. Now I don't have to buy an extra cord, because I was going to order one because I have a cart of stuff that I need. So, you know, I needed a new charger for my phone and for my AirPod, and I was gonna order them, but since I have all of these, I don't need to do that anymore. I don't need to spend any money because he spent the money. So, this one is also for my phone. We got some earphones. I guess he didn't want it. I used to give him iPods to listen to, and this is his old earphones. They still work, but he doesn't want to. This is for the old phone. AirPods. Okay, this one snaps. This one doesn't, see? There's no click like this. I'm gonna get rid of that. That one snaps. This is a new charger. fits my phone. Because he had a phone that took this cord, so he would always buy chargers, or he would buy like bundles of cords, and then he'll just use it. And for the AirPods. I can get rid of this because I got two that are brand new that's never been opened. I don't need all of these cords, so I'll get rid of that. I do have this thing, so I'll hold on to that. But I'll let this go. This is a new cord for the, where are you at? It snaps. This is for the PlayStation 4. So I'll give this to him. This an extra adapter for that. Don't need it. Here's another one of those cords. You know what? I'll probably hold on to one. I'll hold on to a small one. I got rid of one. I got rid of two of them. These are PlayStation earbuds. It only comes with one piece, and then yeah, it just comes with one piece, so I don't need them. They're brand new. So I'll let those go. This is for the, this was for the track phone. It no longer works because I stopped using it, and when you stop using track phones, they disconnect it. So if you want to use that track phone again, you have to pay monthly to reconnect it to use it again, and I'm not doing it, so I don't need this. Here's some extra earbuds. They look like they're in good condition. Oh, these were mine, because there's rubber band on it. this go. I'm never gonna use it. This one's already tied. Let this one go. This one is broken. This was my old cord from when I had the old phone. It broke because I tore it. So I'll throw that away. Gonna let go of this one because I have the small one in here. I don't need it. I have this one in pink that I got from like TJ Maxx. So I got this pink one, so I'm gonna let go of the black one. The iPods. Don't need it. These are my old earphones. I don't know if they still work. They're dirty. I'm just gonna throw it out because they're dirty. I don't want to clean it. Don't need it. For my phone, so I have 3 extra cords plus my original phone charger. So I have 3 cords. I have one plugged in that's red, and I have two more. So I got 3 phone chargers that fit my phone. This I can let go, this little cord. I think that's it. This I'm going to throw away. I can't use it, it's broken. I think I did pretty well. These I can resell for like $5. I don't know. I'll keep my earbuds. But yeah, that's it. This is for the PlayStation 4. I need to give that back to him. But yeah, that's it. I think I did pretty well. It's not over full. Yeah, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.